Hi friends, it's Robin here with Oceaneers. We are here with the whole family at Dollywood today. We are season pass holders and we get extra ride times on Saturdays for certain attractions. Today, Big Bear Mountain, the newest, the best coaster here in Dollywood. So we are here to see how many times we can ride it within our hour window. And also, after that, we get exclusive access to the time saver lane for all the other rides in the park for an additional hour. So we're going to see how much we can accomplish in 2 hours here at the park. So come along with us, enjoy. Charles and Elena are on this one. Let's see if we can catch them. There they go, they're in the back car. So Big Bear has a 39-inch height requirement, and it is the longest coaster in Dollywood. It's over 2 minutes long, so it's a nice long ride. It is the newest ride in the park, so it does get a long wait. Even now for the extra ride hours here at Dollywood, just for pass holders, the line is excessively long. It's backed out the queue. I don't know if you can see behind me. But I think that we'll probably only get this ridden once. And to expedite our golden hour for the time saver passes, we will probably go and try to get ready to ride some of the other rides. So Elena just got off of Big Bear. What do you think? How was it?
It was good. Daddy almost lost his phone, but
Daddy almost lost his phone.
It went behind him, and he sat on it for like half of the ride.
Okay.
He lost it through half of the ride and then sat on it.
Well, at least he didn't lose it all the way. So yes, we got on Big Bear. They had about a 20-minute wait. And once we got off the wait, the line is actually queuing all the way like past the popcorn stand here. So it's probably over an hour wait now just for Big Bear. So we're going to go scope out something that opens at 10 so that we can be first in line for it and see how many other things we can get done during our golden hours.
Here's my impression of a hibernating bear. Watch closely now.
Okay. Wake up! Hey, he's not waking up. He's trying to pretend like a bear was hibernating. Hey!
Let's go do some more rides for y'all.
So the next ride that we're doing is Mystery Mine. Mystery Mine is a part indoor, part outdoor coaster. It has an inversion. It has some of those vertical drops. It's pretty intense. It's Charles's least favorite ride, but he went on it with Elena. And because it is our golden hour, we get to use the time saver line. So we'll actually see how long it takes for him to get through that. But this ride does have a 48-inch height requirement. So keep that in mind if you're coming to Dollywood. Ride of the day is going to be Fire Chaser Express. Fire Chaser Express is a dual launch coaster. It has a forward and a backward launch. It also requires you to be 39 inches or more to ride. There's a tester seat out front if you want to try that as well. It's a fantastic coaster. We love this one. It's really smooth, really fun. The whole family can ride and have a good time on it. So we are still within our golden hour. So we went through the time saver pass, only waited about 10 minutes, and we're on the ride. We go to Dollywood all the time. We go to Disney all the time. So I'm having trouble distinguishing, like when I'm talking, I'm like, I want to call it Fast Pass. Now we are over here at our third ride during our golden hour. It is Wild Eagle. Wild Eagle has a 50-inch height requirement and is suspended roller coaster. It is probably the smoothest ride here at Dollywood. It is a great attraction. Charles and Elena are going on it. I am a little too fluffy to go on it. They do have a tester seat out front, and there is a row, I believe row 4, on each ride vehicle that has a little bit extra give in their seat. So if you are a little more on the plus side, please try the tester seat out front. Also request row 4. Having a Dollywood season pass gives you a lot of perks throughout the park, so it really pays for itself. We renewed in early renewal, so we were able to get a Diamond Pass holder tumbler included, as well as monthly cinnamon bread. Now, if you don't know about Dollywood and their cinnamon bread, it is like the holy grail here at this park. It is something that you absolutely have to get if you're coming here, and it's about $12 a loaf. So if we get 1 cinnamon bread per person per month, over the course of the year, it's about $360 that adds up. And that pretty much pays for 1 pass, maybe a little bit more. So yeah, we're super excited. Hey guys, okay, so let's do a quick recap. It is 10 minutes till 11, so it's 10:50 in the morning. And we scanned in to Dollywood at right around 9 o'clock this morning, maybe 9:05. We made a beeline directly for Big Bear because it was the exclusive early ride time for Big Bear. Waited about 20 minutes for Big Bear and rode it. Then we picked up a few little kiddie rides in Wildwood Grove while we were there. They were open. They wasn't advertised to be open, but we did do a couple of those rides until 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock on the dot, we got in line for Mystery Mine. Rode that with little to no wait. Then we went and we did Fire Chaser Express with little to no wait. And then came over to Wild Eagle and have ridden it twice now before our golden hour ends. So I think that was pretty successful. We got the most popular ride out of the way. We did 4 major rides. Well, 2 were the same ride, but we did 4 rides on major attractions here at Dollywood, all before 11 o'clock in the morning. Now we have the rest of the day to enjoy and do whatever we want to do. I think it's really successful here if you can come and make advantage of these extra perks that your pass holder provides. Down through the rest of the park, and we noticed that my favorite, the Blazing Fury, has no wait. So we are going to jump on it while we're walking our way towards the front and towards the food. You have to have a 42-inch height requirement to ride this ride. It is an indoor coaster. It is an opening day attraction, and it is nostalgic. It's a love it or hate it ride. You go through like this mining town that's catching fire, and it's just great. Granny and Grandpa are sitting on the front porch. It has a certain smell to it, so let's go ride it.
Hello, everyone. Hi. So how many of you have ever dreamed about singing with Dolly Parton?
Woo!
We got the next best thing. Let's sing along with some of Dolly's greatest hits. Right here, right now, in the place that is her namesake, Dollywood.
Woo!
What better place to do it
Jolene. Hey guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video with us seeing how much we could do in the first couple of hours that the park is open. We were here at 9 a.m., scanned in, went to Big Bear, got a lot done. The first hour of the park was open from 10 to 11. We had our golden hours, so we were able to use, the wind! We were able to use the time saver line, and we got a lot done. So I definitely think that if you have the season passes, that these are some great benefits that you need to take advantage of. We'll see going forward, some of the other dates moving out. There are a lot more options for us as far as rides during the early ride time. So we'll see how that works out. We'll do another video. I'm Cousin It. But anyway, guys, I hope you like this content. Let us know down below what else you'd like to see from Oceaneers here at Dollywood and beyond. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on all our socials. If you need help getting anywhere, summer's coming up. I know you want to go somewhere for summer break. Contact me at oceanearstravel@gmail.com. But until next time, friends, we'll see you later.